In this video, I'll show you how you can fix one of your disks needs to be checked for consistency. You want to open up CMD, so right click and run as an administrator. In here what you want to do is you want to type chkdsk space /r. This is gonna come up with this message right here, and it's gonna ask you if you would like to do it the next time the system restarts. So you want to type Y for yes and N for no, but we want to type Y and press enter. Now once you press Y and you press enter, well, I don't need to do it, but if you press enter, it's gonna say that the next time your system restarts, it will check it. So you want to type in Y and then you want to press enter, then you can close it down after that. Then what you want to do is you want to restart your PC, and when you're restarting it, there will be a message that says to skip disk checking, press any key. You want to make sure that you don't press any key. If you press a key, it's gonna skip the check, so don't do that. Just let it go. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Open up the CMD, type in the command. After that, press Y, press enter, and then you can just restart PC and make sure you don't press any key until it's done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.